What is up, YouTube? This isn't the regular kind of content that I make, but since this happened to me, for anyone that uses a GoPro, I couldn't find the answer online. So I figured other people might have this issue and I want to help other people. So I had a really long day of filming, and I probably filmed like just on this GoPro alone over 100 files today. And the battery, for those of you that may have been filming with GoPros for a while, was starting to get kind of fat, you know? So what happened to me today was, ignore this for now, as I went to try to get the battery out, this piece completely came off, and you guys may be able to see that it's, there's no way to get it back in because it was just completely ripped off. Now, well, the problem was that, see the metal wrapping that the GoPro has around it, because the battery had started to expand, was actually being held in by the edges of where the battery goes. So I couldn't get it out this way, and I was really racking my brain as to what to do, and I couldn't find an answer online. So the best thing that I found to do was I was able to slide part of like a business card into here to get at least the edges to not be hooked under the battery slot. But then that wasn't enough, so I needed to get another piece on the other side. And then what I did was I cut a business card in half. Sorry, don't find out which business this is. And then I pushed them all into the bottom. And then I did give it a couple of hits. I don't know if that made any difference. But then what I tried to do was I tried to sort of use the same pressure that they were under to grip them, grip them together like this, and do my best to pull it out. At this point, because I've already ripped it, sort of the integrity of this business card was already done. But I was able to get it out. I may be able to. At this point, I can get it out because I was actually afraid of putting it back in. But I found that was the best method to get the battery out, because I didn't even know how else to do it. The other thing I was thinking about doing was to actually take glue and glue it onto the battery and then try to pull it out at a later time. But I have a big day tomorrow of shooting, and I wasn't sure if that was going to work. And the other thing is, as many of you guys know, sometimes for whatever reason, I need this to shoot and it just won't, and I got to pull the battery out and push it back in. And I was really worried because this is my main GoPro. My secondary GoPro is what I'm filming on now, that it wouldn't work tomorrow. Now, I still got to charge this and I still got to use it, because the only other option is for me to have a direct input into here and to film that way, and that's kind of awkward. So what I think I'm going to do is eventually I'm going to get rid of this battery. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take some electrical tape, and I'm just going to put it around the edge and tape it down here, and then I'm going to pull it out because I'm worried that it's going to continue to getting stuck. And I really need it to work tomorrow since I got a big day. So anyways, this isn't the type of content I make, but I feel like I wasn't able to find an answer online, and I was able to sort of craft a solution for it, and I hope it's helpful to someone. You do have to use a business card that does have some strength to it. Like if this was just pure paper, this almost has like a plastic film on the top. It has to be a little bit sturdier. Otherwise, when you slide it in, it may not work. But best of luck to everyone. I hope I was able to help someone who's using this. Maybe it's time for an upgrade. But if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Mostly I do travel videos, and I'm sure that anybody else who does travel videos, maybe you'll run into this problem someday, and I hope that this is a solution. So, all right, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.